Gold and silver are both about to start falling in prices, in my personal opinion. They are incredibly overbought. This is gold on the daily time frame here. There are a number of indicators that we are seeing that gold is overbought, but just wait until I show you silver's chart. This is gold on the daily time frame. The relative strength index is bright green. This is a very good top indicator, particularly when your stochastic RSI has dipped into overbought and then had an extended double top run in overbought territory. This is screaming overbought to us. And at the same time, our Moxie indicator, despite price continuously going upwards, did not become more bullish. It did ever so slightly, but has now started to round over. It is getting closer to flipping into full-on bearish momentum. Now, if gold has a correction here, which it looks likely, there are a couple areas that could immediately catch Bitcoin before potentially seeing a bigger correction. That would be the previous high here at 4,378. The bottom of this consolidation zone and the top of this consolidation zone, as well as the bottom here at 4,256. And again, similar things we're looking for. Top of this consolidation, inflection points here. This is an area of support at $4,128. But let me show you silver, because it's a bit more drastic. This is silver's chart on the daily time frame, and we are very overbought on the relative strength index. Mind you, the Moxie indicator looks way stronger. Bullish momentum here is way stronger, but we're starting to get a really nasty candle here. And when we take a look at the weekly and monthly time frame, it's at a really scary level for bulls. Because on the monthly chart for silver here, and we're looking at quite a lot of data here, right? We're going back to 2010 over here, right? So 15 years worth of data. We can see that on the monthly chart, we're also in bright green territory for the relative strength index. This is a very, very, very top heavy environment. Also, this is unsustainable. We are very much so separated from support of our 21-month exponential moving average. Then on the weekly chart here, we see support at about $55 for silver. On the monthly chart, it was about $50 for silver. And we are also seeing a double top in relative strength index. This is screaming overbought to us. And we have not been in oversold territory for quite some time on the weekly chart stochastic RSI, also leaning to us being overbought. And we're starting to get a red candle finally at the top of this green series of weeks here for Bitcoin, because again, this is the weekly chart, and there's no previous price history here. There's no area of support for silver to be caught until you get down to $55. Gold and silver look like they are about to finally have a correction after this historic run that they've had. And that probably also is going to spell some selling for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. And that's the update for the day. Hope you have a good day, do good things, be good people, make a bunch of money.